Hey, ooh, yeah, let's go. Outshine October, Hyundai, outshine October, Hyundai, outshine October, Hyundai, way, outshine October, yo, outshine October, Hyundai, outshine October, yo.
Hello viewers, my name is Shemaine Zemba. Welcome to Outshine October Music Competition. Last week had the BGM and this week it's me. Last week theme was all about friendship and this week it's all about love. Before we go further, let's go to our music video by Chilla City.
Solid Records, Outside Records.
Gang tips, oi oi, Chilla City, Aerodrome side. Mumwe wangu ndoda ndikutaurire, upenyu ndikunyaurire, pakutoda uzvimiririre, nyaya dzako dzese udzifambire. Zvinomboramba kufaya, uchizama uchitraya, mumwe wangu sambogaya, traya kuita chete zvichafamba. Upenyu unoda kumboshingirira, wachiseka uchigutsurira, zvakaoma upfugamira, una musiki chete nokutarira. Pamwe pacho panoda usekerere, vakatsamwa iwe unyemwerere, pachirema iwe ugutsurire, asi kumashure usazarire. Saka upenyu, ndozvinoita upenyu. Saka ndozvinoita upenyu, ndozvinoita upenyu, ndozvinoita upenyu. Dzimwe nguva unoshaya munhu muzvinhu, saka ndozvinoita upenyu, ndozvinoita upenyu, ndozvinoita upenyu. Dzimwe nguva unoshaya munhu muzvinhu. Pamwe pacho unombokakata, vanoputsa pawavaka, muupenyu makazara vane daka, ipo rimwe zuva vichaspaka. Vanouya vachikumiririra chakanaka, chese vanovharidzira, havamire kukutsikirira, namata Jehovha vachakutungamira. Saka upenyu, ndozvinoita upenyu.
Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope so you enjoyed the video. Dangokupai Kanzwi Saka, so you can go and like the video on his YouTube channel. Anyways, let's go to the bottom three. So this week bottom three, we have Tatman with 3 points, Rasnox with 3 points, and Patman with 6 points. Don't forget to vote for them. Babudoka mvotomshi vango pindaoka pai.
So we got our 2 voting system. We have the Facebook voting system and we got a WhatsApp voting system. Let me start with the Facebook voting system. All you gotta do is to go on 210 Entertainment page. You go like the page first and go on our post and also like the post, and then you go on comment section. There you are going to write I vote for BGM if she's the one on the video. And also we got our WhatsApp platform voting system. On WhatsApp we got groups, and on those groups there are videos that are going to be sent in there. All you gotta do is just to go and long press our video and go on your right chat, far right end, and then you're going to see the 3 dots. All you gotta do is just to press reply privately, and then you say I vote for Blessing Gladys Mbana. If she's the one who's singing, I also know how to sing though. Okay, I'm going to explain this one golden point. We're saying that you got 2 points from Facebook and you got another 2 points from WhatsApp, and you're singing along our topic line, and you're going to earn this extra one, so you got 5 points. So we're saying that even if you are earning 2 points from Facebook and earning another 2 points from WhatsApp, but you're not singing along our topic lines, you still have 4. Even if it was draw, you are a loser.
The moment we are waiting for, our top 3, JNT with 9 points. Let us watch his video.
People wonder what you are. Baby, let's fly so high, like a butterfly on the sky. I'm a Zimbabwean G, Handina Mota, Handina Mariba. Look, I'm the key. All the ladies, oh hey, I'm gonna set it free. Remember, I'm the big G, I'm gonna let it feel. You call me Papa, though you know my daughter. Chigara niche papo chindi bata bata. Bangwe upuru zotima zita shumba. Let's enjoy the party. Hapana kwenda kumba. My ladies ese ano scream apando pinda lokao. Vachifara ne kupembera majiza zuka. Hapana kwa mocha enda cause my dues no loka. TKAD but zata uka. So
And our number 2 with 10 points is Shivoman. Let us watch his video.
Shivoman indira sita Madziva oye ndipo kwandinobva ndaigaro murota kuhope chindinyurura mumatope nasiwa zadzisa chirevo usazondibata sesaire gondo uzoushandura upenyu hwangu bebi uri muhana mangu unonditenderedza pfungwa dzangu bebi uzondishandura upenyu hwangu bebi uri muhati mangu unonditenderedza pfungwa dzangu bebi vamusi watatanga kudanana hapana patakazomborambana newe mudiwa ndinoshaina ngatine ndinovhaira chara chimwe achitsonyinyinda kupasa wakauya hona ndasimba moyo muti unomera paunoda newe nindinodada uzoushandura upenyu hwangu.
Wow, that was Shivoman. Let's go to our number 1 rap tyrant with 12 points.
We're on the edge of something. We're on the edge of something.
yes, I'm feeling change. Yes, I'm feeling pain. Now it's me that you wanna hate. If they try to push me away, look, we can sort this out. I don't want us just to break up. It's only you that I only love. Yeah, it's true. Please don't doubt. Yeah, I'm losing the patience. What my emotions seeking down to these responses make me feel like I don't deserve you. What is life when this don't do? You and me were like a team. Without you, life is boring. You say what leading to they come. Am I dead now? Here I am. Making lots of changes. I don't think I deserve this. Why trying to take my weakness? Without you, life is meaningless. You need me. It's a new face. Respect it's really serious. Whenever one day
And our chain for next week's Turning Pink, and the artist will be singing about cancer. My name is Shame, and bye bye for now. Woo!
TNC on the track.
Daniel Production.
Na power, domti uya pakrawa, otandi na power, doti dedindava, unyebera power, neta zektosava, zektoda mitika na kavakava. Dipendipeza ndakavinga, dipendipeza ndakavinga, dipendipeza ndakavinga, dipendipeza ndakavinga, dipendipeza ndakavinga, dipendipeza ndakavinga, dipendipeza ndakavinga.
Chingoma yetu chingoma yetu beloved 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 chingoma yetu beloved dairai ombo beloved icho dairai beloved dairai ombo beloved icho dairai kuyenda 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 beloved kuyenda 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 beloved chazimbiswa Judo touch kuyenda beloved chazimbiswa na 210 kuyenda beloved bindura chingoma chakaputika paketo izi yeze ndati dairai saka dairai echo chingoma chakaputika chi love everybody say love 210 chi love TIC chi love kuyenda beloved kuyenda beloved chazimbiswa na Judo touch kuyenda beloved chazimbiswa na 210 kuyenda beloved zvimazimari zvacho tinopedzera unza dombi isu tinopedzera zvimazimari zvacho tinopedzera ndina dombi isu tinopedzera beloved dairai beloved icho dairai beloved dairai beloved icho dairai kuyenda beloved kuyenda beloved chazimbiswa na Judo touch kuyenda beloved chazimbiswa na